morning, sir, and good morning, everyone. Today I discuss myself. My name is Shani Khatun. I am a girl. I am 5 years old. I live in Ramnagar with my family. I read in P-Primary. My school name is Pipa Ramnagar AP School under Boshirhat New Circle. My father's name is Saddam Gaji. He is a businessman. My mother's name is Marufa Khatun. She is a homemaker. I have no sister and no brother. My favorite subject English. My favorite teacher is Bibhash Mondol. My favorite game is Ludo. My favorite food is chicken. My favorite flower is rose. My favorite color is pink. My best friend is Tahira Khatun. My hobbies are reading books and painting. I want to be a good doctor. My instinct is my parent. Thank you, that's all and about me.